You might be wondering if Aquazone Racers is worth your wait at Legoland Orlando Resort. The lines are oftentimes pretty long, and the reason for that is that this actually has two sides, but oftentimes only one of the two sides is running except during peak season. It's not uncommon in the app to see 40 to 45 minute wait times, so you might be asking, is this ride actually worth riding? Well, it's towards the front of the park, which ends up making it pretty popular. If you can get there early in the day, I'd say definitely it is, especially if it's only a 20-minute wait time. The ride itself is somewhat short in duration, but most of the time is spent onboarding and offboarding people. And as you can see, the ride itself only has about 5 or 6 of these shuttles running at a given time, so it takes quite a while to get through the line for this reason alone. The ride itself works well even for younger kids. Just keep in mind that if your child is young and maybe not strong enough, you may have to steer for them. Steering is what actually causes the shuttle itself to move out from the inner circle, and that's where you really start to feel the centrifugal force, which is what makes this ride a lot of fun. The ride doesn't have any seat belts, and it doesn't really need them. As you can see in the shuttle in front of us, my wife and my daughter, basically the bar around the back of the shuttle is what you end up getting pulled against as the force forces you out. The centrifugal force, as you kind of are. Basically, this ride is like a centrifuge, and you're the experiment at the end of it. But it is a lot of fun, and young kids still enjoy it. They just kind of feel the G-forces as it kind of whips you around. It is a really good time overall. That said, if there is a long wait time for the day, I would skip this one and probably do other things in the park. But if you're looking for a thrill ride that works for even younger kids, and you don't mind waiting a little bit, this is definitely the ride for you. Thanks for watching, guys, and please consider subscribing to the channel.